Hello everybody, hi to all. Wing house today not was in my plan. I open him after picking. I say why I pick him and what jump in my mind to open him now in this time. But I want to make this and just a moment. I try to find normal tensioner for no, very big, 08, sorry, 08, nice, short side and this way. Now I enter, I touch 5 and 5 make a little click and I use every pin. I try to find what ask, a second ask, and 4 ask, but not very first ask, second normal, third ask to but 4 asking not bad, and 5, yes, 5 give our full set, and this is number 3 not finished, just a moment, or number 2 not finished too, not number 2, okay, number 3, okay, number 4, okay. I make something, this give me click, so I want to test, maybe we found something not finished, and if everything on the place, I think so, we go on pin number 6. Oh, sorry, pin number 4. This is pin number 4. I need to keep him good. Something may be out, but I'm not sure. Nice, very good. Now here, if I not mistake, this is something like, no, nice, this, and that's all, and we need to gut him. I need to make video not about this lock, about tools, what I think about tools, because I use my tools from lock picker X-Men and multi-pick, and I have something to say about multi-pick. Yes, many things well, good, and many things not good, not well. One from them, this is a handle. If I have just one handle, you understand? If it was two, but I take handles. This is not problem. Okay, now we got him. I make quickly this how to say, no, just a moment. Speed of I make quickly. I try. I believe we just 1 second of. I make this quickly. Don't worry. Eish. So, ladies and gentlemen, we have problem with this moment. I show what and why. Another way I can't to make gutting. Oh, I so want to to look what I take another tools in locksmith service for getting multi-locks, not just multi-lock, but this is something special, very another quality professional. So this no, not enter, not I can't enter this. So I want to watch. I can't. Not was interesting. So have a nice weekend once again, everybody. This is I can't to make nothing. Maybe this video will in videos what go something not well. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day once again. I say bye bye.